GitHub video tutorial series. My name is Azaslim. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss what is Git and GitHub and how to use. So Git is a tool which is used to track our project over the time, and GitHub is a website where we host our project. So it's a very simple and easiest definition. Um, and Git, you can read here the definition or the description. What is Git? It is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large project with speed and efficiency. So with this tool Git, we can track our project over the time. For example, today I'm going to create a project and I host or I save at GitHub. So 3 or 4 developers are working same time and they write some codes. If we want to track back our code, we can track by using Git, and it's very easy and simple way, and it saves our lot of time. So first thing, you have to install Git in your system. If you are using Linux or Mac, you should have Git already installed in your system. You can check from here. Just open your terminal and type git space hyphen hyphen version. You can find the Git version which you have installed in your machine. If you don't have, just go to here, click on a download button. You can install using Brew. So if you're in Windows, you have to download and install Git. It's very easy and simple. Just click next, 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 and I agree. That's it. It's very easy and simple. And I recommend, if you are using Windows machine, use Git Bash instead of your command line, or I think there is a CMD, command line interface. It's called CLI. So next step, we have to create an account in github.com. It's a very easy and simple. Just go to github.com, and here you can find what is GitHub. As we discussed, it's just a website where we host our projects, and it's completely free. Also paid version, we'll discuss see later. Is simply you have to enter username, email and password, and create account, then confirm the email from your email, and you will redirect here at in your dashboard. So I don't have any repository here. Before I create some for just testing, so you can create a new repository from this button, new in front of repositories, and also we can create a repository from this plus sign button, then this new repository name, typing demo, and here the description about this repository, typing this is demo project, and here we have to choose it. This directory is private or public. If public, anyone can see or download your code or repository. If it's private, only you can see or commit your data code in your repository. Here's some initializing files, so readme, get ignorant, and license. I'm leaving it empty and going by default settings. Here is a quick setup, some overview or command lines. I'm going to click here and create a new file, and here we'll create readme.md. In every project we use this readme.md for some, you can set information, description, or some line of codes. MD stand for markdown, and this sharp use for sign used for heading, like in HTML h1, h2, h3. Here I'm typing demo project, and this is demo. Let's commit a new file here. From here we successfully create one file, so readme.md. I'm going to create one new file, so name index.html. Here I'm going to type h1, and this is HTML file. Let's commit this file. Now we have two files in our system. Here we can see this file is created 34 seconds ago, and this one just now it's created. And if I click here in our create a readme.md file, here we can see some lines. Is we have only two lines actually here, and both line is a green, means just now we created this line. There is no previously any piece of code or lines here, or we didn't delete any line from here. Let's create one more line and change this is demo line. So I'm going to browse file, and here I'll click here to edit. This is demo file, and here I'm going to type new header. This is new line. So let's go and commit changes. Now we update our readme.md file, and here you can see the message. So update readme.md, and this file is just created 2 minutes ago. So if I click here, we can see now this line is red because it's showing us this line is deleted and these line are added. So this one is added, and previous line which we update or delete, this line, and the white here, this line means we don't do anything, we don't change this line. So now I'm going to clone this project or this demo repository in my local machine. I recommend you install this. You have to install Visual Studio Code. If you have another text editor, you can use it. So I create a new folder. The name is GitHub in my desktop, and I open here. Now I'm going to open a new terminal, and here I will type Git Clone. Then just go to Chrome, copy this link, your repository link, by clicking here. Then just come back, paste here, and hit enter. Now the cloning is start, and project it's downloaded in our local machine. Index.html but we write there. This is HTML file and readme.md file is here. So in this video tutorial we see how to use Git and GitHub and how to create a repository. That's for this video tutorial. In next video tutorial